Create or join a group. To create a group, you click on the plus sign above and enter the group name. If the group members may need to use carpooling, then enable that. If the group will have multiple events, like this hiking group that goes hiking regularly, then enable multiple events. If only those people authorized by the administrator can drive for carpool, as in some high schools, then enable that flag. If you have the phone numbers for everyone who will join the group, then leave it as private, otherwise change that to public. This enables people within a 50-mile radius of where the group is created to see the group in the Join Groups section and request to join the group. You can then create the group and add members' contacts now or later if you have their phone numbers. All these settings can be changed after the group is created. For groups with multiple events, you can create any number of events for the group. When the group is public and someone requests to join the group, then the group administrator will get the request to join the group and gets to decide whether to accept or decline. If you are part of a larger organization, like a high school, which will have many different groups like girls and boys varsity basketball, soccer, volleyball, and others, then first create an organization with that name. Make it public, as you will likely not have phone numbers for everyone. Once you create an organization and enter that, you will see an all members group. To add people to this organization, you add people to this group. You can then create groups within the organization as described earlier. Only members of the organization have access to groups created inside the organization, even if those groups are made public. To join a group that someone has created and make it public, you simply go to the Join Group tab, pick the group, and request to join. We will pick the group we just created. The administrator will get a notification of the request, and the group will be under pending approval. Once the user accepts or declines, you will get a notification. To remove your membership from a group, you simply go to Manage Groups and remove that group.